Everyone thinks the best-selling battery for trailer winches is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, POWOXI Solar Battery Charger. Let's kick things off with the POWOXI upgraded 7.5W solar battery charger. I was drawn in by its sleek design and the fact that it's labeled as a bestseller at $39.99. If you want a reliable way to maintain your trailer winch battery while being eco-friendly, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 7.5W solar panel can convert sunlight into usable energy with an efficiency of 25–30%. This means you can keep your battery topped off without relying on traditional power sources. It's also waterproof and built to last, so you don't have to worry about it in harsh weather conditions. Now, some people have mentioned that it takes longer to charge compared to a traditional battery charger. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a sustainable option and don't mind a slower charge, it's not a deal breaker. If you want to keep your trailer winch battery healthy without draining your wallet, this is a smart choice. This is perfect for you if you're environmentally conscious and want to avoid the hassle of dead batteries. Skip this one if you need something with a faster charging time and are more focused on immediate power. Product number 2, ACDK Heavy Duty Winch. Next up is the ACDK 2,000 pounds heavy-duty boat trailer winch priced at just $36.99. This caught my attention with its impressive pulling power and user-friendly design. If you're looking for a reliable winch that won't break the bank, this is worth your time. What's great about this winch is its 26FT strap made from durable polyester, which ensures safe towing every time. The robust construction means it can handle tough conditions. It's galvanized for corrosion resistance, which is a must if you're in saltwater. Plus, the two-way ratchet system allows you to easily switch between loading and unloading your boat, making the whole process a breeze. With a 4.1-star rating from over 500 reviews, it clearly meets many users' needs. Now, there were a few complaints about the handle being a bit small for some users. But honestly, if you're not pulling massive weights constantly, it should work fine for most casual users. For its price point, the features you get make it a great choice. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable winch for occasional use without spending a fortune. Skip it if you're using it for heavy-duty, daily towing tasks, as it might not hold up over time. Product number 3, MUII Quick Connect Cable. Now let's talk about the MUII 24-gauge 175A battery cable quick connect-disconnect wire harness. At just $12.99, this one really stands out for its affordability and functionality. If you're looking for an easy way to connect and disconnect your winch battery, this is worth considering. The polycarbonate construction is sturdy, and it's designed for quick connections so you can attach or detach your equipment in seconds. It's also rated for up to 600 volts, which gives you peace of mind when using it with your trailer winch. With a solid 4.5-star rating from nearly 850 reviews, it's a trusted option. However, some users have reported that installation can be a bit tricky without the right tools, as a crimper isn't included. But here's the thing, if you've got the right tools and are handy, it's a small hurdle for the convenience this product offers. This is perfect for you if you frequently swap out your trailer winch or other equipment. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with DIY installation or lack the necessary tools. Product number 4, RVBOATPAT Battery Connector Kit. Next, we have the RVBOATPAT 4 PCS 50 amp battery quick connect-disconnect connector kit priced at only $10.99. This kit is great for anyone looking to simplify their connections. If you want something that's both effective and budget-friendly, check this out. The solid PC flame retardant material adds an extra layer of safety, which is always a plus. With a 4.5-star rating from over 590 reviews, you can see that others find this kit valuable for their needs. One downside is that some users found the assembly instructions unclear. But I'll be real with you, once you figure it out, the installation is straightforward and worth the effort for the convenience you get. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable connector set for your winch or other equipment. Skip it if you want a plug-and-play solution without any assembly. Product number 5, Spurter Quick Connect Set. Finally, let's look at the Spurter 175A Battery Quick Connect Disconnect Set, available for $23.91. This caught my eye because of its high amp rating and durability. If you're serious about your winch performance, this could be the right pick for you. It features corrosion-resistant contacts that ensure reliable performance, and with a rating of 4.7 stars from over 350 reviews, it clearly has the backing of satisfied users. Plus, the hard anti-flaming boot caps keep dirt out when not in use, which is a neat feature. A few users mentioned that the connectors can be a bit stiff when first used. But honestly, that's a minor issue when you consider the quality and power this set delivers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a heavy-duty connection for your winch or other high-performance equipment. Skip it if you need something that's immediately flexible right out of the package. To wrap it up, we've covered some solid options: the POWOXI solar charger for eco-friendly maintenance, the ACDK winch for reliable towing, the MUII quick disconnect for easy connections, the RVBOATPAT kit for budget-friendly connectivity, and the Spurter set for high-performance needs. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your specific needs best.